Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com, thechrisvossshow.com. Hey, we're coming here with another product review. This is from Roccat. You can go to en.roccat.org and check out this baby. This is their Roccat Con AIMO. It's a 7.1 surround sound gaming headset. It's got high-res qualified sound. Take that for what it means. I've always found that's more of a marketing ploy. USB connection on this. That's one big downside with this. It's great for PC gaming if you want to take and use it, but you're not going to be able to use this in your consoles because it has a USB connector on it. So keep that in value when you're deciding when you're picking headphones. It does have this, what they call AIMO LED illumination, where it changes colors. You can take and do all that stuff. It's got mutable real voice microphone. 7.1 high resolution sound. Does sound good. It's a good sounding headset, especially for the price you're going to pay for it. It's got an inbuilt 7.1 sound card, 24-bit 96 kilohertz DAC sound card for no noise. That kind of helps. It's got AIMO lighting system with intelligent illumination harmonized across your devices so they light up and pulse and all that sort of good stuff. It's got a real voice mic. The mic's pretty good when it comes down to it. RGB illumination, 16.8 color lighting engine with effects and presets. Passive noise cancellation works great, even in noisy environments. It's great if you're doing PC gaming and the family's around. And it's got easy controls on the ear cup and surround sound with the mic on a mute. You can pull up the boom mic and it automatically mutes it. So that's pretty darn cool when it comes to the product. It's fairly comfortable when it comes down to it. It's lightweight. That claims to be a benefit for them. One of the problems is that I found is it just feels a little cheap and flimsy, and just the quality. It just doesn't have that tactile quality thing that you're usually looking for. It's floppy. It's kind of loud and cheesy, if you will. I think it's probably overpriced for what's inside of it. I mean, maybe with the DAC you can say that the price is good, but one of the problems you have, you can't use this on other devices like your PS4 or your Xbox, or just your phones for that matter. Other than that, it's a great gaming headset. Other than those factors, I think when it comes down to it, I seem to like it. I think in the price point you can find other stuff. It just feels like a real cheap, budgety construction when it comes down to it. Also, the mic would have been better, especially if you're going to travel with the headphones, if you could remove it. Most great headphones, you can remove the mic. This thing is stuck there, so you're kind of trapped with the mic when it comes down to it. Other than that, it's got a great sound to it. It's got the built-in DAC. It's got good microphones. It's got colors if you like colors, and it fits fairly comfortably. It is light, but like I say, it's a little floppy and a little bangy when it comes to the plastic, and it really feels plasticky. I think that's the word I'm looking for. Anyway, I fairly recommend it. It depends on what you want to take and do. I would think for this price point, you could buy a headset that actually has a 3.5 plug in it, so you could use it anywhere you want to, including your PC. But it's really up to you and what you want to take and do. Anyway, go check it out. You can go to en.roccat.org and check it out. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.